Hello, this is Craig Mertens, Director of Product Education for Inktavo, the parent company of InkSoft. We've released a major update that impacts how you download and print work orders, invoices, packing, slips, and receipts. We acknowledge this has been a point of frustration for our users that are processing a large volume of orders. Due to limitations within a web browser, the limit for downloading any of these files will remain at 25. However, for printing, we're able to update the limit to 500 orders at a time. The printing function can also create a PDF file. We've made the print option in the user interface more visible, since this will be the best option for retrieving large groups of data. We also recommend using the available filters on the page to narrow down the scope of the orders that you're trying to print or download. This will result in the best possible performance. For instance, just downloading or printing orders for a specific store. In the event you need to download a large volume of documents at one time, we recommend using the Print Interface option to expedite the process. I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a PDF using the Print Action function. First off, I'm going to isolate the orders for a specific store by using the filter. So I'm going to go to the drop-down for stores, I'm going to select the store, I'm going to click on Done, and then I'm going to click on Apply. Once I've isolated the orders for the store, I can select all, or I can select just specific orders. So I'll select these two orders right here. Now you notice the user interface has changed and I have new options. I have a shortcut here to print a work order and also a shortcut here to print a packing slip. If I click on the ellipse button, I'll also get the options for print receipt and print invoice. You'll also notice the three options for downloading a work order, packing slip, and invoice, and you'll notice these are limited to 25 orders at a time. If I choose the print option, I can create a single PDF with up to 500 orders. In this case, I'm going to select the option for work order. You'll get a preview of the PDF. In this case, we have a single PDF with 2 work orders. You'll notice under the destination drop-down field, it says Save as PDF. This means we'll be using the PDF driver to generate a PDF as opposed to printing. If you're going to print the file, you can select your print driver from here. You can choose your print options, including pages, pages per sheet, margins, and also options for headers and footers, and background graphics. To create the PDF, just click on the Save button. Select a destination where you'd like to download the PDF, and click on Save. You can preview or print the PDF in any PDF software, and you can also preview or print in your default PDF viewer. In this case, it's my web browser. You'll notice this is a single PDF file with 2 pages, one for each work order. If you're processing a large volume of orders in a single PDF file, it's going to take longer to process. So one best practice is actually to reduce the number of orders you're processing at a time. For instance, just processing for a single store. Our users have been requesting this update. Your feedback is critical to the improvement of the InkSoft platform. This expanded capability is a direct result of your input. If you have any additional questions on the new features, please reach out to your InkSoft Success team.